Hey folks! The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 will enhance the current design formula instead of completely changing it. This is supported by all the trustworthy leaks. However, the latest rumors claim that next year Samsung plans to make significant changes to the design. Based on reliable leaks, it seems that the upcoming Galaxy S24 from Samsung will stick to the existing design formula. However, there are rumors that Samsung is planning to make some major changes to the design next year. The person leading this project is Hubert H. Lee, who previously worked as a designer for Mercedes-Benz and has been in charge of the Mobile Experience Group since December 2022. According to the latest rumors, Hubert Lee has been tasked with revamping the Samsung Galaxy's image, beginning with the Galaxy S25. There is no further information available at this time. If this rumor is indeed true, it appears that the Galaxy S25 series will kickstart a fresh design overhaul that will eventually be implemented across other models in the Galaxy lineup, much like how the Galaxy S22 and S23 influenced less expensive Galaxies. Also, it should not be forgotten that Samsung is working on the solution OLED 2.0 of the next generation, and last year the company stated that it seeks to establish a new security standard based on fingerprints in 2025, using the technology of scanning. Powered by Dubverse. In addition, Samsung's next-generation Galaxy S24 will feature an improved design. It's worth noting that Samsung is also working on OLED 2.0 technology, and has announced plans to establish a new fingerprint-based security standard by 2025. Be so significant that the redesign of the Galaxy S flagship will be fully justified. Samsung produces pretty good smartwatches, especially after the company became a partner of Google for the joint development of Wear OS. However, years have passed since the company released its last fitness bracelet Galaxy Fit 2. Last month we saw the upcoming Galaxy Fit 3 for the first time. Now we have some information about the launch dates. As per insider Ari Vagnis, Samsung is set to launch the Galaxy Fit 3 in the first half of 2024. It seems that there won't be a separate launch event for this wearable device, and it won't be showcased at the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event either. It will be a modest announcement in the press release. It will be released a few months before the expected launch of the Galaxy Watch 7 line in the second half of next year. It is also reported that Samsung plans to produce and sell about 1 million units of the Galaxy Fit 3. We don't know much about the upcoming wearable device yet, but the pictures suggest it will have a bigger and better color OLED screen than the Galaxy Fit 2. It might also come with sleep tracking, GPS, accelerometer, gyroscope, and other sensors. Powered by Dubverse. Of the Galaxy Buds 3 in the second half of next year. Anyway, folks, I'll keep you posted, so stay tuned and don't go too far. Good luck to everyone.